Conference is an opportunity to present, engage, and learn anew, to discover new pedagogies and instructional tools used by our fellow colleagues, and to discuss and fine-tune them together, to instill the foundational skills of critical thinking, teamwork, and research into the learning process, empowering educators and students alike.
In this conference, you will forge connection, exchange ideas, and discover innovative tools and strategies to take your classroom, your careers, and ultimately your impact to the next level. And let the power of NileTESOL 28 commence. Today we are celebrating the opening of NileTESOL 2024. This is an annual conference organized by the School of Continuing Education at the American University in Cairo. It's actually the 28th edition of this conference, which brings together English language learners, English language teachers and instructors from all over Egypt and from the region. This year's conference is attended by 3,900 attendees. We have more than 350 presenters from 30 different countries. Our plenary speakers are from all over the world, and they're bringing in experiences and insights to our English language instructors.
Members of NileTESOL get many benefits, not just professional development, but also scholarships. Some of the scholarships are programs of fundamentals of English language teaching provided by the School of Continuing Education.
The program is so rich this year. We have over 350 presenters. We have 250 presentations, we have poster sessions, we have panel discussions, we have a lot of other activities and events that can be very effective and beneficial for all ELT practitioners.
Today we're celebrating the NileTESOL conference, our annual biggest conference in the American University in Cairo. NileTESOL provides a supportive community for teachers of English all over Egypt and in the Middle East as well. NileTESOL provides the opportunity for ELT professionals to enhance their practices, network, and be part of a very supportive community.
I am very pleased to be here today to participate in this convention. It is a fantastic opportunity to have people from all over the world sharing information, building networks, and working together to strengthen the teaching and learning of English. And this year we were very proud to bring 40 English language fellows from 18 countries across Africa and the Middle East to participate in this conference.
You will enjoy a lot of sessions, a lot of poster sessions, a lot of workshops. It's been a wonderful experience. All the teachers are having fun. All the teachers seem to be liking the way to teach English to their kids. So I'm very proud to be a part of this wonderful TESOL. If you come to my sessions, I hope that you enjoy and of course learn a lot and start doing things differently in the classroom.
It's been a fascinating conference so far. So many interesting plenaries and workshops. I'm really excited to be here.
I have attended various TESOL conferences in the United States, so this has been a wonderful experience to attend my first conference outside the United States. I have truly enjoyed interacting with teachers from Cairo as well as other places in Egypt. And my favorite part so far has been the plenary session this morning, being able to hear and discuss where we believe English is going, present and in the future.
It's been a wonderful day. I've learned a lot. I was able to meet some wonderful teachers who were very interested in what I had to say. I had a great interaction with them.
It's a wonderful setting. Very thankful for the American University of Cairo for opening all this to us. But my favorite thing is the attendees. There are people from all over the world here to present great ideas. It's a wonderful opportunity for all of us to grow professionally and to make personal connections.
NileTESOL has become a phenomenon in my life. I've given many presentations about different topics. The variety, the diversity, the things I achieved in my life because of attending the NileTESOL are numerous. I was even able to present at the TESOL convention in the States simply because of my experience here.
So they are really good quality presentations by good quality presenters who are here to give the chance for teachers to take the next step and introduce the new thing and to stay ahead of the trends and to know what's happening now in the field of English language teaching.
There are various topics about the latest in the field, about innovative pedagogies, about research, technologies, the 21st century skills. We have different types of sessions. We have workshops, panel discussions, presentations, and poster sessions. Every time I'm here, I'm always appreciate how professional this organization is, how well organized it is, and how great it is. I'm excited to see so many teachers, over 4,000 teachers here this time. So I'm really enjoying the conference and looking forward to more presentations.
It's really exciting to see teachers here from around Egypt, from around the world, from more than 30 countries. The presentations are engaging and invigorating. And I really think it's important to have this professional development opportunity for English language teachers. So I thank the university for hosting. Thank you.
What I really love about these conferences is the time right now, the lunchtime, the breaks, when I hear teachers talking with each other, making new colleagues, networking, hopefully making new friends.
We talked a lot today about the future of English, and I definitely think, in my opinion, the future of English is rooted in diversity, equity, inclusion, and accessibility.
It's an honor being in this place. It's an opportunity for a development where you can meet people, make connections, and learn a lot in this very beautiful spot in Cairo.
I like the way it is organized in the American University. I like the system. I like people who can help you everywhere. You will never get lost. You will never lose the chance to enjoy what you need. I thank you for the American University to hold such an occasion, and I wish it will be continuing for a long time in the future. So it will be more chances for others not to miss it if they miss it this time.